My name is Thaza Makani. About 5-6 years ago, I realized my father's condition was changing. I also realized he wasn't taking a bath. And this was a man who was bathing every day to, maybe taking a bath once a week or twice a week when I would visit. And when I asked him, he identified that he was afraid of falling. I guess he had a near miss fall in the bathtub. So we discovered QuickTub through the occupational therapist from Home Care. And, that of course led me down a road of doing some research on what options were out there, what the cost factors were. We were looking for the most price competitive option, but also an option that, gave us really good quality. And so we met with Herb from QuickTub. He spent an hour with us, walking us through things, and there was one other option in terms of where with QuickTubs you have a walkthrough. There is competition out there that has a door that you pull open. In my father's case, I didn't want an option where he would have to reach to actually walk through, and so he chooses to leave it on because he still wants to be able to lift things off and maintain independence. But should he come to a point where he can't, we have the option of not having that there at all. For me, it's a benefit because when I visit, I'm able to take a bath. I like to take a bath. So, the benefit and versatility of being able to go from a walkthrough to a bathtub again had a lot of appeal. And also in terms of if we ever had to sell the property, then it would still have a good resale value because of what we weren't doing something that was very expensive and we would have to undo. And so I would definitely highly recommend QuickTub.